welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I hope everyone is doing great. Well, today I'm going to show you something. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell as well, so you could be updated on the videos that I'll be uploading on this channel. Well, today I'm kind of excited because I've got something here, and as I've mentioned a while ago, right? So, are you ready, guys? So I think you all know what I've got today because based from the title, right? Ta-da! So this is my new PS4 Pro. Well, technically it's not new because actually this is like newly refurbished, or should I say like slightly used and or a second-hand. So this is the exterior appearance of the box. There it is, guys. So actually this is my, should I say, second PSP or PlayStation. My family used to have PSP1, so it's a big, a big leap, a big change from PlayStation 1 to PlayStation 4. I know there is a new PS5 that just came out recently, I think late last year, right? But I just bought this to reminisce or flashback, during the days when I was back in high school, or yeah. So let's begin. Let's unbox this thing. Okay, so let's see. So I changed the angle of the camera so we could have a closer look of this product. Okay, so let's take out the. Okay, there's another box here. Alright, so this is one of the boxes, and this is the PSP for itself. Okay, so I'm kind of excited to uncover this. This is it, guys. You can see the logo of PS, the main port for the power, and this is the HDMI, and I think this is, let me see, USB port. There are two USB ports, and yeah, I think this is for the internet. Right. So there it is, guys. And this is the front of the PS4 Pro. And you need to insert the CD in here. There's a hole in here. And yeah, there's a logo. It's kind of heavy, guys, really. Oh, sorry. Let's see the other components of this box. Oh, so these are the manual, and they're all in Japanese. I don't know if you can see that. They're all in Japanese. This one too, Japanese. Right. We also have the HDMI cable wire. So here it is. And also the USB, micro USB here for charging the controller. And also have the cable wire for the power. There it is. And of course, our black controller. So here it is, guys. So yeah, it's really cool, really nice. So so here it is, guys. So these are the main components. We have the PS4 Pro, the controller, one controller, and then the power cable line and the HDMI cable line, and of course the micro cable wire. And then of course I cannot just play by myself. I need somebody to play with me sometimes, and especially my friends. So I also bought an extra controller. It's not so expensive. It's only about 150 Chinese yuan. So here it is. I chose the red color. So black and red. So let's open this controller. So it has also the micro USB here. So there's still a speaker, plastic speaker. Yeah, so it is. Looks cool, guys. Kinda excited to try this out. So I'm gonna set this up, guys, then try it on. Okay guys, so I have just finished setting up my PS4 to my new TV screen. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how the speaker of this TV goes. Press X button. Wow, the colors, the clarity of the monitor is quite good. Thumbs up. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching my unboxing of my second-hand PS4 Pro. I hope you have already clicked on that subscribe button and the notification bell as well. So that's it, guys. Thank you, 再见, and bye-bye.